Good morning, I have a Conqueror Companion here with me. We're going to do a quote for a client, so first we need to do an electrical assessment to see what has been done in this trailer or caravan. So please read the disclaimer. We're not attacking the caravan manufacturer. We're looking at what was the job that was done electrically in this caravan and the status that it's in now. Okay, let's go have a look. Okay, first things first, let's look at the battery compartment. Red wire marked as a black. It's very hard, it's actually very thin wires, no fusing, so this is a bit of a problem. Let's just see the cables underneath here. Cables going in between the plates there. That's a pinch risk there, going to cause some shorts. Let's look at this side. Also no fusing, red wire coming in as a black. All these connections looking roughly done. No fusing going to the front. This cable, no fusing. Okay, so this is a fire risk. Let's have a look at the cables here. Going up. Okay, so this van is a fire risk. It's a safety risk, and it's a problem. Okay, just to check, this is an older Conqueror with this standard system here. It still has the AC breakers for DC switches and some switches there, and then your AC breakers for the AC. So unfortunately this van is not up to standard. It's a problem. Okay, the vehicle connection, remember this doesn't have a fuse. Cables are quite thin. It looks like a 6mm square. It's very thin for high power charging, but look at this. Look at this. This is gonna rub there and cause some short circuits. The fire is coming to this van. Wow. Okay guys, look at the disclaimer below. This is not an attack on the manufacturer. I'm not pointing any fingers. I cannot say who has done this installation, but this installation is dangerous.